Hey guys, welcome back to Meals in 30. We're going to go ahead and make an easy chicken parmesan recipe today. I'll leave the link for the recipe in the description below so you can check out the ingredients there. Let's go ahead and cut to the kitchen and get cooking. First, we're going to start off with 6 chicken breasts, butterflied and halved. Then we're going to get our flour. We're going to use 1 cup of that. We're going to get our Italian style breadcrumbs. Going to use about 1.5 cups of those. We're going to need 4 eggs. After we get all these eggs cracked, we're going to mix them. We need to get it thick, yellow and creamy. After we get those creamed, we're going to set all of our ingredients up and we're going to get our water going for our spaghetti noodles. Get that on the stove, set it to high heat so it'll start to boil. Then we're going to get a whole stick of butter. Once our pan starts to really heat up, we're going to put it in there, swish it around until it's melted down completely. Then we're going to start to dredge our chicken, and in order to dredge the chicken, you're going to take each butterflied chicken breast, you're going to rub it in that flour first. We're going to get it in the egg. Make sure it's coated really well on both sides. After you lift it up, got to make sure it drains. Then we put it in the breadcrumbs, stick it in the pan, and we're going to do that with all of our pieces until they're nice and brown. We're going to leave them on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're nice and brown. Sometimes I have to get that butter tilted up because my pan is not level. After it's done cooking, we're going to temp each piece of chicken. Make sure it's temped at over 165. Get those noodles put in while we're waiting for those to cook. Once we've got all of our chicken out and temped, we're going to get our spaghetti sauce. That spaghetti sauce is going to go in. We're going to put half a bottle of that, half a jar rather, in there, and then we're going to put our chicken breasts on top of it. After we put our chicken breasts on top of it, we're going to put the rest of our spaghetti sauce. We're going to drizzle it over the top. Doesn't have to be super thick, but once we get it on top there, we're going to get our mozzarella cheese. And you want to get Parmesan too. I just ran out of Parmesan, so all we did was the mozzarella on this. While that's getting ready to melt, go over and stir your noodles. Make sure they're not sticking together. Cover your chicken if you're having a hard time getting that cheese to melt. I usually do the old throw the noodle at the wall trick, see if it sticks, and then we can see if it's done. I'm going to go ahead and get those noodles drained, get them ready to serve. After those noodles are drained, we're going to get them taken off, get our plates ready. Get a couple of tonguefuls of those noodles on there, and then we're going to scoop out the chicken parmesan out of the pan there and get it on top of the noodles. And then whatever sides you prepare, this part is just the main deal. Nice and cheesy. And there we have our chicken parmesan ready to serve and eat. Okay guys, that was our easy chicken parmesan recipe. Like I said before, I'm going to leave that link in the description below. Go ahead and hit that subscribe or like button if you thought that looked delicious. If you want to leave a comment down below with meals you'd like to see, I'd be glad to see them. Make sure you tune in for the next episode. We're going to have another meal in 30.